Hey guys, so here's System Test 3. It's a voice evac system this time. There's finally added these smoke detectors. I told you I was going to add it in System Test 2. Anyways, for alarms, I have a Gamble Sentry. And then I have a Simplex 4100 ES above the bear. You notice there's another bear over here. But yeah. Happy Easter. Over here I have a Simplex 4099 PlayStation and a. So you notice there's no horn strobe over here. I put it up here because since it's a ceiling mount device, it's an ES speaker strobe mounted on a ceiling. It's mounted on my school code, so you get to hear it. So here we go. Left. Oh. Attention, there's a fire immersive important. You need to leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use elevators. ES panel. Got my ES panel. That's not good. Here we go. Let's put this back on the outlet. Music. Anyways. Here we go. Alright. Well, I'm actually not going ahead and pull that since you already heard it. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe. So basically, I'm going to do a face review. Maybe this might. Here we go. So basically, what I need to do is get more subscribers. Basically, I do invisible fire alarms because I can't have real fire alarms quite yet. I do it eventually in a different channel I would have. Anyways, well, thank you for watching. Goodbye.